lecturer, Department of Botany, Kuttareshwara College, Kottur. Yes, after the lockdown, the remaining practical part photographs from plant propagation in BSc 6th sem. Yes, you already known about plant propagation in theoretical part in BSc 6th sem. Yes, you already known about three types of plant propagation. One is three methods. One is cutting methods, grafting method, and layering method. Commonly, you know the cutting methods. Okay, by using stem pot or root pot, and another one leaf pot, using these pots by using propagers, cutting by using sharp blade and sharp knife, and cut into the small pieces. These pieces are developed into inducibles in the cutting method. As in the plant propagation, another method is grafting. As we are already known about the grafting method, it is one of the plant propagation method. In this method, grafting technique, okay, using two different pods, two different plants and two different pods, okay, using and attached with each other to develop into the new inducibles. It is one of the methods, the grafting methods, and two different plants or similar species or similar family. Okay, these type of plants are used in grafting methods. As the grafting, there are mainly two types of grafting. One is approach grafting and wedge grafting. Approach grafting, nothing but to take two different plants in same family. Okay, attached with each other, and stem pods cut into small stem pod. Yes, it is an approach. Okay, it is one of the plant, and another one plant. Okay, another one plant. This plant stem is cut separate in the upper pot, and these plants are attached with each other. By using rubber bands and plastic. Okay, by using bands and rubber bands and plastic. After the 2 to 3 months, it's developed into the individual. It is one of the grafting method. It is an approach grafting method. And wedge grafting method, it is also one of the grafting method. In this grafting method, there are two pods. One is scion and another one is stalk. Stalk, it is a rooted pod. Okay, rooted plant pod. It is helpful for transporting of supplying the food material, water and minerals. And another one, scion. Scion is a transported plant or taken plant in pod. Okay, it is an upper pod of the grafting. Okay, upper pod of the grafting. It is a wedge grafting method. It's PS. One is scion pod and another one is stalk. Okay. Next, another one.
Yes, it is an approach grafting. Yes, see the diagrammatical representation. Yes, in this grafting is attached with two different plants, and another one it is a cleft grafting or wedge grafting. It's containing scion and stalk. It's one of the major method in horticulture.
The layering method, it is a plant propagation. It is one of the plant propagation after the grafting method. As this layering, it is developed in horticulture and fruits, crops developments and ornamental plant development. This layering, there are layering methods, and there are two types. One is layering and simple layering method. The layering method, take one potted plant. Okay, it is a potted plant. In these potted plants, remove the bark surface. Remove the bark. Nothing but remove the outer bark surfaces. Okay, skin surface, out the skin surface by using sharp blade. And another one, after the cutting the stem bark, next another one, they add sphagnum or mud. Sphagnum. Okay, sphagnum. They is adding sphagnum moss and mud. Okay, mud. After this 3 to 4 weeks, okay, or 5 weeks, after the 1 month, okay, it's in this spot, it releases small adventitious roots. Okay, these roots are developed. Okay, in this spot roots are developed, and after its development, it cut, and another one is developed into the individual. It is an air layering method. Next, simple layering method. It is one of the common layering method. As in this layering method, that is a plant, that is a stem plant. Okay, the stem is bent in U-shaped structure and its bending part is immersed into the soil. Okay, after a 2 to 3 months, in these spots, it releases the adventitious roots. Okay, these roots are developed. Okay, in these spots, the roots are developed. In this space, roots are developed. Okay, after it's developed into new indivisibles. Okay, it is attached with this propagals is attached with the parent plant. After it's matured, okay, it's then cut and separate into the this plant. Okay, it is one of the plant propagation. Okay, it is a simple explanation of photographs from plant propagation methods.
Yes, it is an air layering method. In this air layering method, using plant, sphagnum mosses, and silver foil. After this propagation, it's developed into new inducible plants after 2 to 3 months. Simple layering method. It is one of the propagal method. In this method, the plant stem is bent into U-shaped structure. The U-shaped structure stem is immersed into the soil. After 2 to 3 months, it's developed into the new inducibles or new plant.